We're going to head now to Mike Sullivan. He's standing by live.
He's live in Sandwich right now. And Mike, we know you've seen some of the damage that's caused by these high winds, and it's been brutal over the last couple of hours.
We only left our hotel for a few streets before finding that damage. It didn't take very long. Behind me, this tree came down here on Main Street in Sandwich. Somehow, the houses over here still all have power. We talked to one of the neighbors who heard it come crashing down this morning, says he's astonished that he still has power. He's one of the few on this street that aren't just seasonal people that come down here in the summer, but he said a few of his neighbors are still here and braving the elements. Also, there was a crew, an electric crew that came here to come work on the tree, work on the lines, and they got stuck. We had some video that we could show you from earlier. They had to go and shovel that truck out. It took multiple crew members and about 15 minutes to move that truck. And that's a big with multiple wheels. It's supposed to be able to get around in the snow. We watched the truck rock back and forth, just trying to get it out of wherever they were stuck in. Again, multiple crew members, multiple shovels just to get that out. And they were here just to work on the damage that you saw behind me, the tree, the power lines, and everything that goes with it. This morning, there were numbers coming in from here in Sandwich that there were 42-mile-per-hour winds and about 10 inches of snow, which is still falling all around me. And it's really thick stuff. I mean, this stuff packs so fast. It's that stuff that you can make a snowman out of so instantly. Even the ground that I'm walking on right now is already packed and hard. I've only been walking in this area for a few minutes. It's also collecting heavy on the trees and then falling. When we were in our car, we could hear ice chunks and branch chunks hitting the car. Even as we stand here live talking to you, we've been a little bit nervous. Some of these other branches could be suspect. It could fall, or the branches, trees, snow that could come and hit us. So it is dangerous out here if you are walking. Most of what we've seen out here has been crews either plowing, shoveling people out, but even the people we've talked to here that are part of those crews and emergency crews, they said they've even had some of their coworkers get stuck and they have to go get them. It's a dangerous spot out here. Your best spot is to be in your house, watching from your windows, watching your TV, and enjoying that snow day. Live in Sandwich, I'm Mike Sullivan, WBZ News.
Incredible. All right, great look there, Mike. I cannot even believe that tree down in the background.